Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create a super aesthetic face blur effect on your photo using Hypic app. It's simple, quick, and you don't need any extra tools. So let's get started. First, just open Hypic app like this. If you don't have it yet, just download it for free from the Play Store. And once you're in, just tap on all photos and then just choose the photo that you want to edit like this. Now just go to effect and then go to blur, this one, and then choose radial blur, this one, like this. This will create a nice blur that radiates outward, perfect for an aesthetic look. And then just adjust the intensity by sliding the bar until you're happy with the strength. Maybe like this. Next, let's make sure only the face area is blurred. Just tap on edit and then choose erase, this one, and then tap on invert. So with this way you can select exactly where you want the blur to show, and then just tap on restore and then just carefully brush over the face area. You can zoom in for more precision, and the blur will apply only the area you select, just keeping the rest of the photo clean and sharp. And then adjust the size and hardness of the brush like this, and then just checklist. So you will get the final result like this. And once you're done, check the overall photo. You can always adjust the blur strength again if needed. And when everything looks good, just tap on export, this one, and your aesthetic face blur effect is ready to go. And okay, that's it. Super simple and quick. In just a few taps, you have got an aesthetic blur effect on your photo. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.